Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a delightful piece of tech that's bringing back the charm of yesteryear. The Hemobllo Retro Camera Vintage Reusable Film Camera. This isn't just another gadget. It's an invitation to rediscover the magic of film photography in a wonderfully accessible way. Right off the bat, what strikes one about this camera is its undeniable vintage appeal. It boasts that classic, timeless look that instantly transports you back to an era before digital screens dominated our lives. But beyond its aesthetic, its true genius lies in its reusability. Unlike disposable cameras that contribute to waste, this Hemobllo model is designed to be loaded with new rolls of film again and again, making it a more sustainable and cost-effective option for anyone wanting to dabble in film. The camera's design prioritizes ease of use, making it an absolute dream for beginners, families, and friends. There are no complicated menus or settings to navigate. It's a straightforward point-and-shoot experience. This simplicity is precisely what makes it such a fantastic gift idea. Imagine introducing someone to the joy of film without the steep learning curve often associated with more advanced cameras. It encourages experimentation and captures moments with a unique, authentic feel that digital often struggles to replicate. Weighing in at a mere 0.25 pounds, and with compact dimensions of 2.76 x 4.72 x 1.57 inches, this camera is incredibly portable. It slips easily into a bag or even a larger pocket, making it the perfect companion for everyday adventures, parties, or travel. Its lightweight nature means it won't be a burden, encouraging spontaneous captures wherever life takes you. The material, while simply described as reusable film camera material, feels durable enough to withstand regular use, ensuring it can be a long-lasting companion for many rolls of film. For those looking to step away from the instant gratification of digital and embrace the anticipation and unique aesthetic of film, the Hemobllo Retro Camera offers an unparalleled entry point. It's a wonderful tool for creating tangible memories, fostering creativity, and sharing a nostalgic experience with loved ones. This camera truly embodies the spirit of simple, joyful photography, proving that sometimes the old ways are indeed the best ways to capture life's precious moments. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a fun, easy, and sustainable way to explore the world of film.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.